Hello, my name is James LaMarche, and this is a tour and an introduction for the 3D GameLab site. First, you'll need to input the web address, and then you'll be taken to a page where you can sign up for the service. And once you do sign up, you'll be able to put in your user tag name and a password, and it'll bring you to the 3D GameLab site. When you get here, you'll have to choose the group, which is the Art Education in a Digital Visual Culture. Once that comes up, you will see your quests, rewards, your group, and your announcements. You'll also have a teacher tab, which will allow you to create the content, your quests, and so forth. Here's the available tab, which shows which quests are available and that you have created. This first quest, Brain Hex, is grayed out because it has some prerequisites that are required before you can start it. So we'll select one that a student could see, which you will be able to select View Details, or you can edit the quest. Students will have View Quest or Start Quest as a tab there. And you can scroll down and see, you can watch a video, you can create different text, and how to complete the quest in the comment field. To get to the comment field, students are going to have to hit the Completion tab, which will be up there right under the Edit Quest, and then they'll be able to input their completion. The available tab is the In Progress and Completed tab. Up here is where you can see the point totals for each of the modules and kind of gauge your progress based on that point total or module that you're part of. Over here is the Rewards tab, where you can have badges, achievements, and awards, and each of these are given out based on either number of quests done, excellent comments, good work, or absence or late work, which could be a bad reward. Here's the Group tab that will show you the students in the class that you can kind of gauge yourself against. These tabs are for teachers to create content for their 3D GameLab, and this tab is where you'll create your quests. You create a quest name, a short description, and then the quest instructions and details. If you have videos, text to read, maybe some links, and the completion submission details of how they need to complete it and what is required. Down here, you set the experience points. You'll set the category that you want yours under, such as like education or education gaming. You'll be able to set the repeatability, the prerequisites, if there's a certain point total, or a quest that is required to be done before this quest can be started. You'll also be able to hide it or show it so students can see it. Set your standards based on your area, and then pick either a pre-made icon or you can download one and then select it through browsing on your computer. Down here you can set it for needs verification, so you'll get a prompt to approve it or disapprove it. Back under the Teacher tab is where you can add students, and you'll first select their age range, and then once you select that, you can input a series of emails and select which class you're going to invite them into. Here is the player profile card, and this is where they can see their rewards, how they're doing in the class, the completed quests, and they can edit their profile to add a picture or change some of the information. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the 3D GameLab site.